Example 2. Sketch the graph of the equation r equal -6 cos theta. So first you have to construct the table by putting some value of theta with this set, with this format. You can follow this set of value by increment 30 degree. Then you have to calculate the value of r based on the given function. You have to substitute the value of theta inside r. So -6 cos 0 is -6. And then you have to continue and complete the table. So after that, you have to plot all the points. Always start 0 degree at this positive x-axis, and the remaining angle is like this. Okay, now look at 0 degree. So you have to focus on here, and you have to plot -6. So before we plot -6, you have to put the scaling on each ring. So since the highest value is 6 here, I want to put the scale as 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so each ring will represent 2 units. Okay, now look at 0 degree. You have to plot -6. So the first step is to plot 6, and then remember, when you have negative value, you have to look at the opposite direction here, and the end point should be here. The actual point is here, okay, not the temporary one. So this is not the point, it's on 180 degree. All right, then we continue at 30 degree. So we have to plot at the opposite direction with 5.2 units. So this is 4, this is 6, and 5.2 is around here estimately. Okay, so now that is your second plotting. Now you want to plot 60 degree. Again, it has negative, so means that you have to plot on the opposite direction with radius 3. So this is 2, this is 4, so 3 should be in the middle. Next, at 90 degree, the value is 0. 0 is at the pole. 1 to 0 is 3. 150 is 5.2. And 180 is 6. So it's a redundant point. So you can see the shape, the pattern here is a circle. So it's consistent with the theory. The general form is 2a cos theta. Since we have negative, means you can put negative. So your 2a is 6, a is 3. So you can check the radius here is 3. The radius of the circle is 3. And the position of the circle is at the left side. Okay, so it's consistent with the theory.